possible to just record this video, Pintu?
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much.
Now tell me where you got stuck. What is your company code?
Okay, so it's NT68.
One
And
sec.
then the next one, if that doesn't work, then please try NT21.
You're
I'll
not
just bring
sure.
up my notes. One second, I'll just bring up my notes, my SAP notes. Okay. Um, so-
You got stuck in document type and number range.
no, actually, that was not too bad. Actually, let me just go back to my questions. One second, Pinto, one second. Okay. SAP, I'm just bringing up my. It's gone so slow, my computer. I don't understand. Okay, one second. Actually, just if you just continue after the number range, then that will be good. And then I'll just note down the questions again.
After number range means what?
Um, One second. So you know that video? I'll just one
Leave that
second.
video now. Why you stuck up? You tell me that.
Actually, the last thing in that video, you know, the one that you've done on the YouTube, the last thing there was the number range. We need to start from tolerance types,
Acha,
tolerance groups.
tolerance for GL account.
I believe so. One second, I'll just confirm with you. One second. Hana. Okay, okay, so it's this one here.
For secondary cost. Secondary cost means like you will want to you want to
I'm
put
just trying to go
some.
back and listen to what was the last one.
And I will not keep on expecting. We have to increase the number range.
Okay, yeah, it was the number range basically. So, you know how we're just going into the edit intervals, accounting document, and then putting in like number one, and then year 22, 2020, and then from number 0001 to 0001,000, and the NR status is zero. So that only we need to continue from.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah. What is the problem?
Yeah,
Tell
yeah.
me.
So we just need to start after the number range. How it says, you know, the editing intervals. So you know how you stopped at the editing intervals in that video.
You share your screen.
Okay, okay. One second.
You share your screen and log in.
Yeah, sure. One second. One second. Let me just share that screen. Okay. One second. Um, it's not coming. Share screen. Where is that? Oh my gosh. Here it's a bit different. I can't see the sharing screen. It just says um, report a problem, captions, change layout, cast this meeting. It's like I'll just try and click on this other one. Oh gosh. It says present now. Is that the one?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, let me know when you get that. Hello? Did you get a notification, Pinto?
You are logged into your system and
Uh, okay, one sec. How do I do this? I don't.
leave it. You will not be able to do it. Leave it. Let you come out of it. Let me present
Okay.
and log off from the SAP also.
Yeah, yeah, that's already logged off. That's already logged off.
Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. Just please record the video if that's okay.
Oh God. Now can you see my ACP screen?
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
What is your company code?
Just try NT68.
NT68.
Yeah, yeah,
This one, right?
yeah, that's it. That's it.
Okay, this is the global screen. Huh?
Yeah.
To reach this screen, you have to give transaction code /NOBY6.
Pinto,
Okay?
you're recording, right?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay, great, great. Thanks.
So created a chart of accounts, company created the variant code. Okay. In the document entry variant, you have to select the most appropriate one, this one. For TDS, tax deduction
Okay.
at source. Maximum
For
exchange.
Australia, it's the same, is it? The
Huh?
Australian one is the same. Is
Yeah,
it the
more.
same one?
Yeah, the
Okay,
nearest
okay,
one, whichever possible. This is Austria.
okay.
Okay. Maximum exchange rate deviation, you can give 10.
Yep.
Negative postings permitted, you have to tick mark. Proposed fiscal year.
Sorry, negative postings. I'll just ask the questions as I just go through quickly. So we just address them. So negative postings. I mean, what is that exactly
If there
implying?
is a minus figure, in that
Okay,
case.
okay, okay. Yeah. Thought
Proposed
so.
fiscal year, enable amount split. Okay, this much is enough, and then you save it. Which one is yours?
Um, Not this one. I did Tish. I did another one. I didn't do this. No, it's neither actually. Tish, you can just look at for Tish
Enable
P2ILTD.
structure configuration of what is the company? NT36.
Tish,
NT36.
Tish,
Huh?
Tish, Tish P2ILTD. Yeah. So do I have to just, does that make a difference? Because I've already, made my own request from the beginning. So does
So
that
because
mean that
you all these you have to transport to the quality you are developing here. From development it goes to the quality check, and from quality if it's okay then it goes to the production for the end user level. So here by this you have to these things you have to transport to the quality server for testing purpose. So that is why.
no, what I mean is that how I just created the own request.
So
So I've
that is
already
not available here. What can I do? So that
so we
is
can
why
start a new one, is it? It doesn't really
in
matter.
this I've started a new one.
Okay, as long as it doesn't matter, yeah. Because I thought we have to use the same one that I created at the beginning.
One request. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, the tolerance group for GL accounts slash NSPRO financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transactions, open item clearing, clearing differences, different tolerance group for GL accounts. Okay, click here new entries, give a company code. What is it? TH what is
NT 68.
NT
68.
68.
First one, yeah.
Okay, keep it blank, don't create any group. Hmm. Tolerance group for NT68. So now if you want to limit your tolerance limit for GL account, either you give in amount or you give in percentage, right?
Yeah.
Suppose you give the 10,000 rupees, 10,000 Australian dollar. So the debit posting maximum 10,000 you can make. Same for credit posting. Whatever limit you will give, beyond that limit, GL will not accept posting. So you can give it in figures or you can give it in percentage. Okay?
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah, yeah, that's fine.
I kept it blank so that I can give. I'm not keeping any tolerance for the GL so that I can seamlessly pass my entries. So, enterprise structure configuration of these. This is tolerance group for GL accounts. Next, I'll be going for tolerance group for employees. So, employees will also have a limitation. All employees cannot pass any amount. There has to be a control on that. So, how
Yeah.
to do that? Same thing. Go back. Next one. Tolerance group for employees. Check whether your company is showing or not. NT68. No, it is not showing. That means you have to go to new entries. You give your company code NT68. Okay, and then you give maximum figure. I'm giving a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Cash discount, we'll give 5%. Whatever the company wants,
Yeah.
accordingly you have to put the figure. Now the payment, this is the upper limits for posting procedures. Amount per document, this is the figure. Amount per open item document. Open item means like customer vendor, where you have
Yeah.
not paid the vendor yet. Till then it will remain open. Once you pay, it become closed. Same thing for customer. You have sold your products but you have not received yet. So until you receive the payment, it will remain open. So these limits are applicable for every document and open item. Cash discount, as per the requirement, you can give 5, 10, 15, whatever. Okay. Now payment difference. If there is any payment difference, suppose you are supposed to get in case of sale, you are supposed to get 1000 USD Australian dollar, but you are getting 900, $100 less. So if there is any payment difference is mentioned here, then it will accept. Okay, but if you give a suppose 50, then $100 difference will not accept, right? Whatever amount it, otherwise you have to keep it open. So if you
Yeah.
keep it open, then there will be no limitation, it will seamlessly pass. Same case for expenses also. You can give it in figures or you can give it in percentage. Cash discount adjustment, if anything's to be done, so how much you have to give here, that this is the cash discount to be adjustment for permitted payment differences. Revenue is for getting the payment, expense means you're paying. Okay, so what I did, I keep it open so that you can pass the entries seamlessly without any hindrance. Okay, this is called tolerance group for employees. You save here. Okay, now we go to that assigned tolerance group for country. Assign tolerance group for countries. How to do that?
So did we do the same one in the other ECC? The tolerance group for companies.
Yeah, same. So far it is same. It is
Okay.
not showing here. It will be on the basic settings on the purchases. Okay, so let me close the path. Okay, just give me 2 minutes, please. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Okay, hello.
Yeah, yeah, I'm here.
So for you can write it down for assign tolerance group for country.
Assign.
In that
But
case,
you are
how
doing the video anyway. It's okay. I think it should be fine because I'll just go through the video. Um, but I can also write it down as well. One second.
okay, the path is say, financial
Assign.
accounting, then financial accounting global settings.
But just to confirm, sorry, that the tolerance groups comes after the number range, doesn't it?
Yes.
Okay, great. Thanks.
From where you got the number range, I don't know. Number range for controlling area.
Not the
Does
controlling.
SA you are talking, no? SA, document type,
Yes,
right?
yes, document
Yeah, yeah.
type.
These are
That's
things
fine.
all after this. Okay,
Okay, okay, great. Yeah.
right. So global settings, then tax on sales and purchases, then have the basic settings. Okay, under basic settings, you have to assign country calculation procedure. This one, assign country calculation procedure. So you have nothing to do much here because it is already done. See, Australia, it has already been done. Tax AU. Okay,
Okay.
can you see?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
if you want to create your own, you can create, or it is better to avoid whatever is given here. You can work on this. TXAU is the procedure. Tax Australia. Okay.
Okay, but generally it will always be there or like just in this
No, you
case.
can change. You can add your own tax procedure for Australia, and you have to just put the thing here and you have to save it. Here I'm not disturbing
Okay,
this
so
one. Okay.
okay. But it's not generally there, as in a default. It's not generally there, is it?
It's not generally there, but it is default.
Okay.
It is there. Okay.
Okay, sure, sure.
You can remove it. There is an option for removal. You can delete it and you can put your own. uh, Okay, this is about the challenge group for your country, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Now move on to the next one. The minimum, bare minimum configuration you need to do. Maintain controlling area, right? Maintain controlling area.
So this maintaining controlling area was also part of the other previous BCC one, or
Is the same thing that we have
okay.
in Hana and here. Okay. So maintain controlling area. Uh, have to close all the path. So it starts with controlling now. Controlling, general controlling. Okay. Then you come to organization. From organization, you come to maintain controlling area. Okay. Maintain controlling area. Double click here. So hope you have not created the controlling area, right?
No, no, not yet. No.
New entries. So I'm giving the same NT68. Okay.
Yeah.
Controlling area. NT68. Company code equals to controlling area. Here you will take controlling area same as company code.
Okay.
Currency, it will be 10 by default. company code currency. Now automatically the rest of the information has come, right?
Yeah.
Here have to create the cost center hierarchy. So what is a cost center? Cost center are, in case of bank, a bank can be having a 5, 10 branches. So each branch is the cost center. Whatever the expenses incurred to run that branch is the cost center. Same case for manufacturing units. If it is having 4 units, manufacturing units in separate place, each one will be considered as a cost center. So whatever cost to be incurred, it will be recorded. It will be recorded, posted against that cost center. So how to create a cost center hierarchy? Under the hierarchy, we create all the cost center. So to make it easy, NT68 cost center CC and then hire HIER. Okay. After
So it
that,
has to always be in that format, is it? It has to be.
you can give anything, no problem. You can
Okay.
make it NT68 also.
It doesn't really have a limit. Doesn't really have a limit, is it?
Okay. Cost
Yeah.
center hierarchy NT68. You can do it anything like say. Yes.
Yeah.
So it is safe, right?
Yeah.
Now, next step is to be assignment to company code. Sorry. You have created the control area, now you have to assign with the company code.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. The relation is, see, one controlling area you can assign to multiple company codes, right? But it cannot be opposite.
Yes, that's right. Yes.
New entries. You give your company code entity
Only
16.
one controlling area, isn't it?
Here, I
That's
said
right.
one controlling area can be assigned to multiple company codes.
Yeah, that's
But
right. Yeah.
one
Correct.
company code cannot have multiple controlling area.
Controlling
Only
areas.
one. Enter. Controlling area is being assigned to company code. Now you save it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, it's getting hanged. Anybody interested in learning SAP HANA from your Australia?
No, actually not. I don't know anybody to be honest, because most of them they just don't want to relocate to Canberra because
They want?
most of the jobs. No, most of them are just business analysts and stuff like that, and they have jobs for that in Sydney. But for these Hana new jobs and everything are coming in only Canberra. So I've also, I mean, like I've actually resorted to, if I ever get the experience, if that ever happens, I mean, I'm just doing whatever I can right now in terms of putting the effort. But if that ever happens, then I'm fine to relocate for some time to, get some experience. But I don't know anybody else that is looking into doing that.
Okay, so you click here.
Yeah.
Now you have to activate certain components. Click on new entries. The screen will open. You give the fiscal year 2021. Now cost center you have to activate. This is activity type machine hour, man hour. When you calculate machine hour for production, so that is how we need to get activity type. Order management means internal orders. Rest we are not activating, right? As
Yeah.
per requirement we will activate it. This two, this two is enough. Cost center, order management, and now save it. So this is how the we maintain the controlling area. Okay.
Yeah.
Next. So this was the controlling area. Hope it is clear to you.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, fine. So note down the transaction code for this. OKKP. OKKP is the transaction code. Okay, now after maintaining the control
Okay,
area,
that's the,
sorry.
sorry, isn't for the controlling area, that's the transaction code OKKP, is it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thanks.
Next is maintain controlling area settings.
Yeah.
So this is all about cost center. Now let me move out from here. 2002 got activated. Uh, okay, now close the part. Now from the controlling, we'll go straight to profit center accounting. From profit center, we'll go to the basic settings. Okay. First, what we have to do, we have to set the controlling area first. Now remove it, make it NT68, and then you enter. So controlling area setting has been done. The, now we will do this one. Maintain controlling area settings. What I will do, I will create the profit center hierarchy here.
Okay.
NT68 to understand easily, P profit center PC and then higher HR. International business volume, profit center local currency will be, you're going to give controlling area currency. It will take 90 but you'll give 20. Profit center local currency, what you have taken? Australian dollar, right?
Yes. AUD. Yeah.
AUD.
AUD. It's just there.
A
Under ATS.
store transaction currency, activate the indicator and you'll save it. Okay, so this
Yeah.
is how you create the maintain controlling area settings, right?
Yes.
Now we go to, again go back from here. Okay, transaction code for this is 0KE5. Okay,
Yeah.
now let me come out of this one by one. I'll close the path. Hmm. Now again I'll go to controlling, general controlling. Okay, organization. Now we have to maintain versions. This one. Okay,
Okay.
click here.
So with HANA, I just wanted to know that with this new implementation with the HANA, do you think that it's much more better to go through the T codes or just go through the menu path?
You can go anything. Okay, you can go by transaction code, you can go by path. Okay,
Okay.
it is better to go by path. Transaction
Okay.
code, it will be difficult for remember all the time, right?
Yeah.
So here I will take the SAP defined version 0. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll select it and click on new entries. Sorry, I'll select it and create on this one.
Settings.
uh,
Right.
Controlling area settings. Okay, so this is my controlling area and my plan version is being assigned. So what is the plan version means? It's kind of budget. You have planned for certain expenses and you are actually spend so much money. So through this you will get the variance report. Okay,
Yeah.
there are a lot of valuation, we go for the legal valuation. This is the plan, this is the actual. Okay, you have planned to spend for rent $10,000 AUSD Australian dollar, but you actually spend 15. So there's a difference of 5,000. So you come to know that you have exceeded your planned expenditure, right?
Okay. Uh-huh.
So this is the planned version. Save it. Now you select it and you assign to your each fiscal year. Normally you will get the option for 5 years. Okay.
Right.
Don't, if you click here, then your year will get locked. Do not click. Integrated planning means integrated with some other planning if you have any other plan. Okay, and
Okay.
copying allowed means after 2000 it will get copied to 22 23 like this. All the options will get copied. That is why we're giving copying allowed and then we save it.
Yeah.
This is called maintain versions.
Maintain versions. So what is the T code for this?
T code, uh, maintain version T code. Yeah, I don't remember the moment. I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay, no problems.
Okay. The next one is define ledger for CO version. What will be the ledger? Define ledger for CO version. The next one. So I click here. So you can find controlling area, the versions, the ledger needs to be assigned. So let me go to position and let me check whether your company is showing it or not. So you give the controlling area NT68, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Nothing is showing, right?
Uh-huh.
It's not showing. So what you have to do? Click on new entries. Give your controlling area NT68. Then you give the version. You have already selected the version. Okay, 0. Then you have to give the ledger. So you have to give the main ledger, the leading ledger. So it will by default it will be 0L. You cannot, there will
Okay.
be only one leading ledger and that is 0L, that is SAP defined, nothing more than
Yeah,
that. You
yeah.
have to give this one. Okay, compulsory. Rest are same. and there you just have to enter. So data will come automatically.
Okay.
What happened? Okay, and now save it. Hope you understood.
Yes, that's understandable. Yeah.
Okay. Next will be uh, this one. Maintain number ranges for controlling documents. Okay. If you give your
Yeah.
company code 68 and enter and click on the interval, no interval exists, right?
Yeah.
So what you will do? You take the SAP defined one. To make now in Hana you can always up better as much you can take. You copy select here, okay, and then you copy it and you put it to your controlling NT68 and then you enter. Yes, copied.
Okay.
Now if you select on the interval, now you go there, uh, go to, hope you'll able to find your controlling area. Okay, okay, okay. NT68. Now click on the interval. You can see intervals are showing. Okay,
Right. Yeah.
it's been copied. Right?
Yeah.
So I'll close for today because I have to go to office. Right?
Yeah. Sure. Sure. That's fine. Thanks so much. I'll just go through that just today, and then I mean we can probably go through another session whenever you're free again.
Uh, so under 68, all the groups have been assigned automatically. You don't have to do anything. That's
Right.
simple.
Right.
Copy it. Okay. Yes. So let me see whether recording has been properly done or not. So
Yeah.